Hello friends, this is Tanusha in front of you. Welcome to my Freeman tutorial channel, and today we will discuss about the cell wall. What is cell wall? Let me discuss about it. Sorry for the shaking this video because of some material problem, so you can manage it. The cell of the bacteria, fungi, algae and the plant having the additional non-living rigid structure called the cell wall, okay, that surrounds the plasma membrane. It is clear? I don't know, I don't think that's okay. It is explaining in Hindi. It is a normal English. Okay, it is the compositions of cell wall is varies in the different sort from different groups. First, fungal cell wall, algal cell wall, plant cell wall. Algal means algae. Okay, in a plants, the cell wall was consist of two regions, primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Firstly, discussed about the primary cell. The thin and flexible portion of the wall made up of the cellulose and pectin. Okay, pectin is like a protein material. And middle lamina we will discuss the thin layer between the primary walls of the adjacent cells, chiefly composed of calcium pectate. Okay, so secondary cell wall found in some cells found between the plasma membrane and the primary cell wall. Okay, impregnant of lignin of strength. Okay, functions of the cell wall are, it is the various functions of the cell walls. It maintain the shape of the cells. It protect the mechanical injury, or it is attack. It is votes to attack the pathogens like virus, bacteria, and fungi, etc. It protect them. It's allowed to maintain the to pass in the out of the cells. It helps the cell to cell interactions, provide the barriers and unhitable micro molecules. And some questions are there that we discussed about it. This are asked all the questions in a NEET examinations. First is middle lamina is composed mainly of, answer is calcium pectate. प्लाज्मेटम अकर कनेक्शन बिटवीन टू एक्सिडेंट सेल, यहाँ हम पढ़े थे. अगर ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन इसी में से हैं. इसमें से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन हम नहीं बनाए हैं. इट्स ओनली 4 क्वेश्चंस. प्राइमरी सेल वॉल इज द प्लांट इन, कैसा होता है, थिन होता है. ठीक है. द केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ सेल वॉल. ओके, बैक्टीरिया का लिखना है तो पेप्टिक ग्लाइकोन है. फंगस का लिखेंगे तो काइटिन लिख देंगे. इट इज़ ओके. एल्गी का लिख देंगे तो ऐसा सेलुलोज लिख दिया, ग्लैक्टन्स लिख दो, एक्सेट्रा. एंड दिस इज all of these about the cell wall, and I will showing the some picture of the cell wall. It is saying that all doubts are clear. I think that's so wait, and will you able to see that this is some typical cells. Firstly, I will discuss in our notes is animal cells. Okay, animal cell. Okay, this is the centriole. Let me zoom it. Centriole. Okay, some problem. Okay. Centriole, centrosome. This is a cell membrane, outermost covering vacuoles, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulums. But we discussed about in briefly what is endoplasmic reticulums and ribosome, etc. Mitochondria, nucleus in middle. We have to see this middle, and nucleus, chromosome, Golgi complex. Okay, this is this portion is known as cytoplasm. Okay, discussed about the bacteria cell wall. It is very easy. This part, outermost covering, is called cell wall. That's we usually know. And this like membrane like structure is known as plasma membrane. Okay, and this is called capsule, and this hair like projection is known as pili. Okay, and this is J shape is called mesoderm, and this is a long hair like projection is called flagella. Okay, and chromosome, cytoplasm, etc. This is not normal, and this is a Sorry for the breaker. And this is a plant cell: plasma membrane, vacuoles, chloroplast, ribosome, cell wall, plasmadermis. And this is not a arxin, and I think that's why it is not arxin. Draw the diagrams of these picture cell walls, but it's some arxin board examination, so it is good to learn. Okay, that's it of this video. Thank you for the watching video. Have a good day.